Good evening, everyone. And thank you so much for inviting us here today to be able to recognize you for your annual association gathering and dinner. So on behalf of Assemblymember Tony Thurman and the State Senate, State Senator Nancy Skinner, I'd like to present this certificate in honor of your annual conference held at the Richmond Veterans Hall on behalf of the state of California's 15th Assembly and 9th Senate District. We'd like to recognize the association and its membership for their Vietnam War and for their continued admirable contributions to the United States of America during the Vietnam War and for their continued service in the interest of the public. Thank you for all your efforts and achievements. Congratulations. And I just want to say a little bit about this being near like the 30th anniversary of this association, and for so many of you that served and helped our nation during the Vietnam War. And we are grateful for your contributions to this community and to this country. So thank you. Thank you for having me here so I can present this to you.